What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to change username on RedNote app. So, in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first things first is you want to open up the RedNote app here, and you want to go to your Me section or Me tab, which is at the top bottom right of your screen. Now from here, let's go ahead and click on the profile icon that you see at the top center of your screen next to the gear icon or settings icon. Now once you press on the profile icon or button, it should give you this UI here. Now what you need to do here is you just need to click on the RedNote ID section. And from here, you can go ahead and just start entering or adding or changing your username here. Now, this should be around like 16 to 15 characters, so this includes letters, numbers, and underlines. But in this case, once you've entered your username here, click on the save button at the top right of the screen and you should be good. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.